Chicken pot pie is one of my favourite pies. We make individual pies which go to the festivals, and so I'm going to show you how to make a chicken pot pie at home. I'm going to make it for a family. So the first thing I'm going to do is chop up some shallots and some leeks and saute them off in a pan. So I'm going to use chicken breast and chicken thigh, and chicken thigh is good. It's a darker meat but it adds a little bit more flavour. Just added some ham hock and some fresh herbs. I'm going to add some hot chicken stock, and once the cream's been added, I'm going to turn off the heat and add some mature cheddar, and that will just melt into the sauce. It gives it a little bit of a zing. So I've cooled my filling and I've lined my pie dish with some puff pastry, and I'm going to brush beaten egg all the way around the edge of the pie because that acts a bit like glue. So using the pastry trimmings, I've just cut a couple of hearts, and then these can be sort of glued onto the pie, and that will be ready to go into the oven. We also make exactly the same recipe at Higgidy. We take a little mobile Higgidy kitchen on the road and sell our chicken pot pies at the summer festivals.